Okay, my people, welcome back to my channel, J people. Here today we are at Danmore B Apartment. So as my cameraman will show you, just come. Here we have. Here is our gate. And that is our course. We just corners. So welcome my people. We have room number 1. I don't know if it's open. Okay, just a minute. Just open this room. This is room number 1. As you can see, it's a very clean way. You see? My cameraman will show you. How about good windows? These are the windows. That's there at Danmore Apartment. Welcome to all. This is for at Kohego, kehancha ISIBANIA highway. So my people, let us go into our room number 1. You see my people? Welcome. This is the first place. You can just wash here your face when you wake up. See, this is a good chair. You can just you see here, you see? There's another chair there. You see? We have a system here, a TV. So my people, welcome. Let me show our kitchen. Let me show you our kitchen. You see? We have a kitchen here. So you can put your things here. You have thermos. And then many things are here. You see? You have here. And then many things. You see? It's a good place. If you need something, somewhere to rest, you have butter, you may come. So a special room. Look at a special room. You see my people? You can come here. You have a good bed. It has spread well, you see. Have a good 2 pillows, do call pillows. And I don't know how I can call it. Maybe there's something I have forgot to show you. Maybe you may ask, does it not have shower room? Here it is. You see? It's a good one, my people. You see, everything is here. You want it is here. We just head to another room. Have 2 rooms. Here we are in second room. You see my people? Another good room. So welcome to this apartment. As we continue, I will show you many of the rooms. So thank you, goodbye, be blessed.